Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we have learned what is coding, where it is used, and why anyone should learn coding. I have explained in the previous video that coding is a language, the language what a computer would understand. So, just like a human language, we have multiple choices for coding also. The languages could be either Java, Python, C, C++, etc. So in this series, I'm going to teach how to code in Python. This is a very personal choice as to what language you would like to use. But here in this particular series, I'm going to teach Python. Now, the big question is where to write the code and how do we get the task done? Also, just for your information, in coding terminology, we say run or execute for task done. So whenever I say the word run or execute, I mean task to be performed or executed. So to write or run our program, we need a place or a software. So either we can use an online software or download one. There would be many viewers who do not have a working laptop or computer but are really interested to learn how to code. So for them, installing and using an application would be a little difficult. So for them, you can go ahead and use your phone. In the mobile browser, type Python Online Code Editor version 3. Now you can see a tutorials point link. Please click on this link. I will also be providing you this link in the description box. So this is how the code editor would look. The online code editor would look. In the left hand side is where we will be writing our code. This button right over here where execute is written, if we click this, all the commands that we have written for the computer will be done or executed. And the right side over here is the result section where whatever command we have asked the computer to perform, the result is being shown in the right side. Now, don't get worried about what print is or how or why it has been written in this manner. Everything will be taught from scratch to you in the coming videos. I just want you to be familiar with the location as to where you need to write the code, which button do you need to click to execute it, and where the results will be displayed. This is for those users who do not have a working laptop or a computer and they want to learn coding and they are using mobile. The location where you need to write the code, the execute button, and also the result section would be a little different. It will depend upon your phone, but more or less you will be finding these three sections which are really important for you as a beginner. I hope this video was really helpful to the people who do not have a working laptop or computer. And yeah, so this is pretty much it for this video. In the coming videos, we will be learning more about Python. So please stay tuned and I hope you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. And thank you.
Like, share, subscribe. Press the bell icon and follow us on Instagram to get notifications for our latest videos.